Now this is the Moto G 2025. This phone has lock with pattern, as you guys can see. A fingerprint, PIN, password would be the same thing. Now if you can't access the phone, you have only one thing to do, which is the factory reset or the hard reset. This is Variety Stick. In this video I will show you how to hard reset the Moto G 2025. So without any further ado, let's find out. Now just before we start the process of doing the hard reset, I want to pay your attention. Now if you have a Gmail account that's already set up on the phone, once you finish the factory reset, you are required to use the same Gmail and the same password. Doing hard reset is not going to fix this problem for you, because once you complete the factory reset, the phone will ask you either to use the same password or the same PIN, or use the Gmail password. So if you don't remember none of this, you're going to be in big trouble, and you need to do something else called Google bypass activation screen. And that's going to be a topic for another video. Now, in the Moto phone, you cannot turn off the phone, even if you press power and volume up, as you guys can see. Now, if I try to turn off the phone, that's not going to work. Now, instead of this, we're going to do a little trick. What we need to do now, we need to press two keys, power and volume up, till the phone show black screen. Once the phone show black screen, immediately you have to remove from the power and the volume up, and then press again on volume down and the power. In the beginning, press hold volume up and power. Once you see the screen turn black, immediately remove your finger and put it on the volume down and the power key. Now let me go ahead and show you. First of all, turn the screen on, and then press hold these two keys, volume up and the power key. Hold till the phone restarts. Once it restarts, immediately remove from the volume up and the power key and press volume down and power key again. And that should take us to the recovery menu. I'm going to repeat this process again. First, power, volume up, and once you see the screen turn black, it's going to take 5 seconds at the most, and then immediately remove from both keys and press again volume down and power key. Now we're going to go to this menu. The touch is not going to work here. We can use the volume down and volume up to navigate, and we need to go to recovery menu, and then to select we need to press the power key. So go ahead. Now the phone will take us to another screen after a few seconds called no command screen. So this is where we need to go now. Now you just have to press power and then volume up. So first power, and immediately after that volume up. Let me go ahead and show you together. So power, volume up, just like that, and that should show us the menu. Now from this menu we have to navigate through the volume down, and we need to go to wipe data factory reset, and then press power key to select, and then go to volume down and select factory data reset and press the power key. The phone should start formatting, and now we'll take you back to reboot system. Now all you have to do, press the power key to select this option. The phone might take 5 minutes at the most to complete the factory reset. As I said again, you have to use the Gmail account, and the same password was previously synced to the device if you have one. If you don't have one, then you are good to go. And that was very much it for that video. I wish you guys find it helpful. If it did, thumbs up and subscribe for more here on Variety Stick. Thank you so much for watching. As always, we will talk to you in another video.